How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly fix the issue where GOG Galaxy games are not launching on your PC. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So I did a bunch of extensive research on this issue in particular, and it's happened to quite a handful of users and players. And the way to fix it is quite simple. After reading through the forum posts, all you have to do apparently is uninstall the launcher and reinstall it, as the issue may be caused by a bad install, and doing something as simple as a reinstall may actually fix the problem. Now, if this doesn't work for you, there's another thing that you guys can actually try, and that is to um, configure the settings on the GOG Galaxy platform or launcher, and clicking on properties and basically running it as an administrator. And when you do, this will get rid of any security issues that may be preventing the games from launching, and you should be good to go. So if this guide worked for you guys, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.